Let's pep you up for another mind-blowing episode of Bollywood This Week. Catch all your favorite stars in this segment of parties and events. Star-studded red carpet of 57th Filmfare Awards.
Filmfare is one of the most awaited functions of the season.
This is my first Filmfare nomination, and the nomination was Naseeruddin Shah.
Expectations to always have Juhi is nominated for I Am, so hoping that it'll be, I mean, she gets it tonight, so hoping for the best.
I'm totally looking forward to it because Shah Rukh Khan and Ranbir Kapoor both are, they have a very good sense of humor. दोनों का timing बहुत कमाल है और so I'm totally looking forward to the evening.
Sajid Khan announced to the media that the Shah Rukh Khan Shirish Kundar feud has ended.
अब पार्टी पे मैं था नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं पार्टी पे क्या हुआ, क्या इंसिडेंट हुए, लेकिन जो भी हुआ आज मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि नाउ ऑल इज। सबसे पहले तो मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस की कि जिस तरह से फारा और शाहरुख गले मिले हैं, मैं 20 साल से उनको ऐसे ही गले मिलते हुए देखते आ रहा हूँ। मुझे बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि फारा को उनका बड़ा भाई मिल गया शाहरुख, और शाहरुख को अपनी छोटी बहन मिल गई।
Vidya Balan along with the cast of The Dirty Picture at the DVD launch of their film.
Dirty Picture is the highest pirated film in the history of Hindi movies. And if we had not come out with a DVD now, the pirates have got much more money than they already have got. So we have come out with a DVD so that anyone who wants to make a copy of this movie, they can keep it.
मैं यही कह रही हूँ कि मैं मिलन लूथरिया का हाथ बहुत टाइटली पकड़ रही हूँ क्योंकि इस आर्मी की वजह से मैं सारे अवार्ड्स घर लेके जा रही हूँ। मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं इनको ही घर लेके चली जाऊँ।
Celebs made their presence felt at the Sangeet ceremony of Bollywood couple Ritesh Deshmukh and Genelia D'Souza.
आज बहुत खुश हूँ कि उसे जिनेलिया जैसी लड़की मिली है जो वाकई में उसे बहुत खुश रखने वाली है। बहुत लकी है रितेश, और जिनेलिया उससे ज़्यादा लकी है। विश जिनेलिया एंड रितेश ऑल द बेस्ट। I'd like to wish Ritesh and Genelia all the very best. I think we love this couple.
Especially Ritesh और Genelia के लिए ये कहूँगी कि the way they've handled their relationship and the way they've gone about it is beautiful.
मेरी फैमिली, मेरे भाई, हम सब के दोस्त मिलकर कुछ कर रहे हैं। अभी जाके देखेंगे क्या
In your favorite Itsy Bitsy interviews, Farhan Akhtar on Shah Rukh Khan and Dawn 2 sequel.
I do feel that he is very fond of this character, you know, and that comes across in his performance. And he admits it also. He's like, I feel I enjoy playing this guy. And I think for someone who, for almost 20 years of his career, has played or did play primarily good parts, boy next door, the romantic lover, you know, never go again, the family, you know, that kind of stuff. For him to get an opportunity to do something that's kind of different, dark, sinister, as an actor, will always be exciting. So I think he's really sunk his teeth, you know, into this part. And hopefully, I mean, we will now start thinking about what Dawn 3 can be. You know, and hopefully if something comes together, I mean, we'll make it.
Kareena Kapoor shares her experience of working with Aamir Khan.
Working with Aamir is, I think I'm just the most luckiest girl to have worked with him in like 2 back-to-back hits, and I've given my biggest hit in my career with Aamir. So I hope
that we can do the same with Talash.
Karan Malhotra on Hrithik Roshan's character in Agnipath.
I think Mr. Bachchan का जो persona है, जो उन्होंने पहली फिल्म की है, जो उसका impact है, वो irreplaceable impact है. मतलब मैं खुद उस फिल्म का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. लेकिन ऋतिक ने जिस तरह से किया है, मेरे ख्याल से जो ऋतिक को सूट करता है या जो एज ए परफॉर्मर सूट करता है, जो एज ए कैरेक्टर जो लिखा गया था सूट करता है, he has lived up to the expectations of the film and the script that was written, and has been received with open arms. So yes, definitely Hrithik's character is the biggest achievement.
Signing off with the making of own ad with Shah Rukh Khan.
Started working for the group which is called Lux Cozy. I think we were trying to create a brand called On. On है तो डॉन है, नहीं तो गॉन है.
Watch this space for more only on Bollywood this week.